Ever wondered what those mysterious short letters on construction drawings mean? TOS, TOC, TOF? What secrets do they hold for engineers? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll uncover the hidden language of civil engineering drawings. You are watching SketchStruct. We will learn basic to advanced engineering here. Let's get started with today's video. In construction drawings, we see that short letters are written in the drawings. Short letters are used in the construction structure drawings because they cannot be explained in detail. Today, we will tell the engineers what short letters mean. In the general notes, all the letters are written, starting with TOS equals top of slab, which is indicated in the structure drawing. In other places, it is given with an elevation, indicated with each short letter or elevation symbol. TOC equals top of concrete, which you can see in the drawing. It comes with elevation, from which the surveyor verifies the concrete dimension. TOF equals top of foundation is put in civil construction drawings. BOF equals bottom of foundation. We see this too. Type talks typical, as you can see in the drawings. CJ equals construction joint. The engineer observes the slab drawing where the construction joint line is provided on both sides, and it is the same in the wall. TOW equals top of wall. The engineer is looking at another drawing where TOW is put in two places without elevation. Construction cannot proceed without this. TOW in this drawing has a different elevation. TOB equals top of beam. While reading the drawings, wherever there are beams, we will see TOB. B equals bottom reinforcement. In the slab drawing where steel is placed, B1 is shown as bottom reinforcement. T equals top reinforcement. In the construction steel drawing, it is indicated as top reinforcement. S equals stirrups. It is used in columns and beams and is put as S in the construction blueprint drawing. SD, WAS, sidebars. In the wall construction steel drawing, it is indicated as SD. V equals vertical reinforcement. Vertical bars are used in the construction of columns or walls. While reading the civil structure steel drawing, we will find V indicated. HB equals horizontal reinforcement. It is put as HB in the drawing. ST is to starter bars. These are bars that come out from the foundation for the wall. They are called starter bars and are indicated in the drawing as St. Stag equals staggered. The engineer is looking at a drawing where staggered sidebars are used in a wall, and while reading the drawing, we will find stag noted. ADD equals additional reinforcement. The engineer or a wall, we are looking at a steel drawing. Additional bars have been used in this wall and only add is indicated. SC are shear connectors. They divide the larger foundation into parts for creating a construction joint for concrete. Shear connectors are placed between the bottom and top, and it is written SC in the drawing. PS, punching reinforcement. A new column is emerging from the foundation where punching shear link bars are being used, and it is written as PS in the drawing. Continuous columns and walls. The engineer is looking at the drawing having columns, which is shown in the drawing by a line, and there is also a wall, which is shown in the same way. Ended columns and walls. In this drawing, the columns are shown in this manner. Planted columns and walls. When reading the drawing, if you see these columns, a new column or wall needs to be planted. This indicates whether a slab construction is happening. The concrete dimensions of this slab are 200 thick. From these points, we learn what the concrete dimensions of this slab are. There is an elevation logo in the civil structure drawing. Wherever there is elevation, it will have a logo. SEC equals section. In civil structure drawing, it is the logo for the section. FFL equals finishing floor level. In the construction drawing, it is simply written as FFL. If this video made you see construction drawings in a whole new way, hit that subscribe button with all your heart, because here, we share knowledge that builds your engineering expertise step by step.